So what is up everyone, this is Karan here, welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. A lot of you guys already using MIUI 12, MIUI 12.5 right now on their devices, and you probably noticed there are a lot of lags and performance issues in MIUI devices. Like especially in my case, I'm using Redmi Note 8 here. There are many issues in performance, lags, and a lot more things. And to smooth those animations, to want to smooth those animations, you can install some Magisk modules. I have tried a new Magisk module which is by my friend Xerix, and whole credits to him. This one is a very interesting model which you can also give it a try on your device. In my case, I am using it on my MIUI 12.5 running device Redmi Note 8. You can try out other devices also. I am using it on my latest MIUI 12.5 updated beta, China beta based updated ROM on my device. It's working perfectly fine. It's just kind of a Magisk module which can be installed on other devices also. The link for that Magisk module is in the description. You can give it a try if you want to. In my case, I'm using Magisk latest version 21.4. You can use the another version also. It's just up to you. I am using this Magisk 21.4 on my device. You can also use any kind of Magisk version. This is kind of a Magisk module, so need to install from the download link in the description. And after that, what you need to do is just go here, click on install from storage, and here select that module file which I will provide you the link. Just click that, which may be less than 1 MB, and as you can see, this is how it will look like. It's very easy and just a simple step to do. Installation is done and you're good to go. It's very interesting kind of thing which you can do on your device, and it should work on your device also. In my case, it's working perfectly fine. Little bit of improvement in battery and performance, and this is a very interesting kind of module, but it's not 100% guaranteed that it will work for you or it will not work for you. You should give it a try. It's not 100% confirmed of if it is working or not, but all these things, if you use in any kind of MIUI, MIUI 12, MIUI 12.5, these are almost by luck. If it works for you, great, it's great, and if it is not working for you, just don't complain. You can try out other Magisk modules also. And also sometimes the Magisk module doesn't install for you, so for that time you need to check out that if you have any other kind of Magisk module that can conflict with the installable one. So you need to figure out all those things to install these kind of things on your device. And of course, if you are using Magisk and if you're installing Magisk modules on your device, you should have at least knowledge of what is going on and how you can improve that, how you can fix that. Because if you're a tech user, you should probably know about what's going on there. In my case, I'm just rebooting my device. I'm not gonna pause and skip any part, so I'll show you that after booting how it will look like, because it doesn't have any kind of user interface, any kind of UI. It will just show you in the Magisk Manager that it is installed. We have just booted our device. Let me just turn on lock screen, and after that, let me show you by going into Magisk Manager. In my case, it's just installed here. As you can see, it doesn't have any kind of app available. No app, no interface. If you go for the Magisk and check out if it is working or if it is installed on your device or not, just go and open Magisk Manager on your device, and after that, just go to your, as you can see, we have installed this. You just need to go this option, and here we have the MemeUI modes by Xerix31. MemeUI modes for performance and battery. It will improve your battery life also. It will improve your performance by focusing on performance and battery life, both of the things at same time. This is a very interesting thing which you can give it a try on your device. This is all from today's video. Link is in the description. If you like this, don't forget to like and share this video. Whole credits to Xerix. Thanks for watching and goodbye.